Samresh,
Amresh,
yes, Dad.
tell your brother that I want to make Shom a partner in the business of Siddheshwar Modak. Documents related to that are kept in this file. He should sign them. I know that your brother will have objection about it, but I won't listen to any of your objection.
Dad, I don't understand why are you saying this. Samresh hasn't said anything such.
I will say, Amresh. I will definitely say. I won't let this disaster strike. Why is Show made a partner in the business all of a sudden?
Say,
Namo Brahmadevaya Go Brahmanaya Hitaya Cha Jagadhitaya Sri Krishnaya Govindavai Namo Namo Om Punna Sampradanaya Dade.
now the groom should change into the attire for the main
Hey, listen.
ritual.
Why don't you take Shom in his room and help him
Okay.
change?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Get up. Get up.
Shri?
Yes?
Where is Mithai? Go and check if she's ready. And Nanda, where is Rajiv? Tell Ratul that they have to carry the bride.
See.
Yes, go. We are running out of time.
Samresh, please think about it once. A boy is getting married. And he needs an independent source of income. He currently doesn't have that. Why don't you understand? He's neither an employee nor a partner in business, but he slogs each day for his business. And that is why Dad has made this arrangement for him. Why do you have a problem? Will you let us know?
I do have a problem, Amresh. Shom doesn't belong to the Modak family. Aarti had adopted Shom from an orphanage and brought him to this house, nothing more than that. Then why should he be made a partner? Even the daughters of this house aren't made a partner just because it's a family business. And just because Shom is marrying the girl of Dad's choice, do we have to make Shom a partner in the business?
Samresh, you. Shom isn't marrying the girl who is chosen only by me. He's marrying the girl whom Aarti has chosen for this family. Aarti had blessed Mithai as the future wife of Siddharth. I'm sure you aren't aware of this. It's not a small thing that I have the good fortune to welcome Mithai as the daughter-in-law of this family.
Shom doesn't belong to the Modak family. Aarti had adopted Shom from an orphanage and brought him to this house, nothing more than that.
And what made you think that I'm making Shom the partner in this business just because he's marrying Mithai? Samresh, unlike you, I just don't think about debit and credit. I don't want to have a life like that. The boy works hard day and night out for his business. He is giving his life for this business. I'm just giving him what he deserves rightfully.
What right? What right, Dad? An adopted always remains an adopted. And no matter what you think, I always try to reason with Aarti, but she also never understood and I used to pay the price. Fine. Amresh, I'll arrange for a monthly salary for Shom, but nothing more than that. Yes, one more thing. I'll not accept that girl as the eldest daughter-in-law of the Modak family. Get the facts straight.
Uncle, your voices can be heard from outside, so please talk softly and tell your brother that he should think before speaking. Everybody in this house isn't Siddharth. Shom still respects him a lot and gets hurt by his harsh words. And Shom might get insulted because of this. A wedding is going on in the house. There are many guests here. Now there'll be a terrible showdown in front of those guests.
So this is the fact. Aarti had blessed Mithai long ago as Siddhartha's wife. Now do you understand why? But Siddharth is a high-class guy. Why will he marry Mithai? How? Shame, shame, shame. Now Dad has stooped to such a level. And I'm amazed at Samaresh's behavior. He wants to pay you a salary. You'll be a petty employee in Siddheshwar Modak's outlet, and they will pay you a salary. In spite of hearing that, Dad had no intention of protesting at all. I'm too astonished. Who is Mithai? And what's her status? She sells sweets door to door. Dad made arrangements to burden you with her responsibility for the rest of your life. How shameful. I can't believe this. I'm really feeling very bad for you, Shom. Really, I'm feeling very sad.
Brateen! Come on, fast! The priest is asking to hurry up.
Shom, let's go. Let's go. Come, come.
The lover will come, the lover will come, and he will take away the bride. The lover will come, the lover will come, and he will take the bride.
What is this? What has happened to the bride? What's wrong? You're looking so pale. You have removed your jewelry too. What's the matter?
Mita's life is becoming absolutely different, isn't it? Mita was supposed to start a shop. It was decided that Lord will be my partner. But Lord helped me in the reversed way. All this while I didn't realize this, but now I can very well understand. My heart is pounding with fear here. My heart is beating so fast. Check it for yourself, isn't it?
Cool down, cool down.
I have feeling that Mita's life is going to get lost in the darkness. Auntie Parvati! Hey, Auntie Parvati! Sister Mithai has gone crazy!
What? Mithai? Oh my! Show me your hands. Oh my! Why have you removed your jewelry? What happened?
Oh Lord! Oh Lord!
Look at her.
Lord! Oh Lord, will everything be all right?
Oh my!
Oh no! The lamp hasn't been lit yet. My hands are trembling.
Mithai? Mithai? We all are with you, okay? Why are you getting so scared? Please don't be scared. Come on. You have to put on the jewelry back. Come on. Come.
Come, Grandpa.
What has he said? Did you have a word with him?
No, Grandpa. What can I tell him? You can tell him later whatever's appropriate.
Namaste.
Make way. Be careful.
Careful, be
no,
careful.
no. The wooden seat
Don't
seems
move,
like
okay?
a swing. I'm feeling too
Just
scared. Is Mithai going
relax.
to fall down? These are so many people present here, Raju. Please put me
Don't
down.
worry. Oh,
I'd
come
rather
on now. Mithai, don't move so much or else you'll really fall down.
Listen, Mithai, we are holding you firmly. Don't be afraid. Nothing will happen to you.
Why are you getting so scared? I've heard that Mithai is a brave girl.
Of course I'm brave, but I'm brave while I ride on my bicycle. I'm not finding my balance sitting high up on this wooden seat.
What?
Hey, Sister Mithai, please calm down and sit quietly. This is the reason you get folded.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Let's go.
Let's go, please.
Oh, oh my God. Oh, God.
Look, Grandpa, the girl is surely going to cause an accident. She doesn't have any coordination between her hands and legs.
What is he saying? Oh no!
An accident did happen. Mithai removed the beetle leaves cover from her face even before reaching the groom.
Didn't I tell you that she's bound to cause some or the other accident?
What did I do, grandfather?
It's okay, Mithai. Now keep quiet. Shri, please pick up the beetle leaves.
Hey, everything related to Mithai is special. It's wrong to expect that she'll reach the wedding venue without any trouble.
Bring her over here. The auspicious time is passing by.
Yes,
Yes,
come,
yes.
come.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Come.
Aarti had blessed Mithai as the future wife of Siddharth.
Shom doesn't belong to the Modak family. Aarti had adopted Shom from an orphanage and brought him to this house, nothing more than that.
Aarti had blessed Mithai long ago as Siddhartha's wife. Now do you understand why?
Now is the time for the first look ritual.
And I'm amazed at Samaresh's behavior. He wants to pay you a salary. You'll be a petty employee in Siddheshwar Modak's outlet.
Shom doesn't belong to the Modak family. Aarti had adopted Shom from an orphanage and brought him to this house, nothing more than that.
You'll be a petty employee in Siddheshwar Modak's outlet.
Stop, Rajiv. This wedding cannot happen.
Shom, what are you saying?
Yes, I'm saying whatever is right. It's not possible for me to get married. What are you saying, son? What will happen to Mithai now? Grandpa. If I agree to this marriage, then I'll lose my self-esteem. I'll leave this place right now. Please forgive me.
Shom, what are you saying? This isn't expected of you. What happened, my child? Tell me at least what? What? At least, please tell me. Please, what
Shom?
happened?
Shom,
Please have mercy. Please have mercy, my child. Please don't let such a disaster strike me. Mithai is my only daughter, Shom. She was too precious to her father. Please don't discard her in this manner.
Mother, please stop it. What happened, Mother? Mother, please stop.
Quiet, don't say a word. Just don't say anything. My child. What went wrong? Why don't you want to marry her? Oh, you don't like Mithai? Am I right, my son? Uh, I know. I know that she isn't worthy of you, but I give my word. I give my word. My child, after the marriage, you can train her in your own way. She will become worthy of you and this
Shom.
family.
What's wrong with you? Have you gone mad? Do you know what you're doing? Pratin, why are you standing here? Go and talk to him.
Shom, what are you doing?
Oh, Mother, please don't cry.
Oh, my child, Mithai. What happened?
Shom doesn't belong to the Modak family.
Aarti had blessed Mithai long ago as Siddhartha's wife.
Shom! Shom!
Why are you standing here silently? Do something at least. What happened? Are you not feeling well? What is happening? Please check.
Grandpa?
What happened to your grandpa?
Dad, what happened?
Grandpa?
What happened? Look, what happened? Look, grandfather, what happened?
Grandfather! Grandfather, what
Dad,
happened?
Grandpa? Look,
Dad,
calm
please,
down.
Dad.
Drink slowly.
Dad, please have some
Pratin,
water.
Pratin, call the doctor quickly.
Dad,
Yes, it's ringing.
It's not
Please call
connecting.
him fast.
It's not connecting yet.
Dad,
Is there any doctor present here?
I'm fine.
What do you mean you're fine?
Fine. Mithai.
Yes,
Mithai.
grandfather, yes.
Mithai.
Grandfather, what
Mithai.
Slowly.
Slowly. Yeah.
Make him lie down over here.
Yeah, be careful.
Over here.
Calm down.
Slowly.
Lie down.
Slowly.
Grandfather, lie down.
Just lie down.
Yeah, yeah.
Lie down.
Relax.
Let me go. Let me go.
Relax.
Lie down. Doctor, look at him.
Okay, move aside.
Sit, move. Let the doctor
Let
see.
me check.
Come here.
Please clear the crowd from this room, please.
I'm finished.
Mr. Siddheshwar, please don't say a word. Please breathe heavily. Much deeper. Yes. Now release the air from your mouth. Breathe in. Deep breath. Right.
Sulata, I hope nothing wrong will happen to Dad. Right? My dad will be all right, won't he?
Mom.
Will Dad be all right?
Mom,
Please
be
tell
quiet.
me.
Don't cry, Appa.
Please tell
Don't
me
cry.
he'll be all right.
Don't
Tell me,
cry.
Sulata.
Be patient.
Nothing will happen to Dad, right?
Childish. Appa, nothing will happen to Dad.
Nothing will happen
He's
to him.
fine.
He'll be all
In that
right.
room.
He'll be
He's
all
in that
right.
room.
Fine.
Yes, he's in that room.
Brother Bratin,
He'll be
please
all right.
console her, please.
Listen, please talk to the doctor. Why did this happen to Dad? Why
Appa,
did
Appa,
this
Appa,
happen?
Calm
Please
down.
tell
All will be
me.
well, okay? Just
It's
calm
all
down.
my fault.
Nothing will
It's
happen
all
to him,
my
okay?
fault.
Now calm down.
What has happened to